Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Use the same principle to make 3 different designs like this, and really easy and kind of fun. I'm going to go to the Polygon tool and pick a 5-sided polygon. I am holding down the control button so it'll be equal. I'm going to get the shape tool, and when I delete that node, all the inner nodes will be gone because it's a polygon. And that's what Polygon does. Now I'm going to select all the nodes and go right here to convert to curves. As soon as I do this, I can go to symmetrical curves, and then you could bring this in and turn these handles around and make any shape, form you want, and it's doing it symmetrically. So you can't really, get them off, which you don't really want to. You want them symmetrically. And then to do some interactive fill tool, it can't be a line, so we'll make this 36 point. I'm going to go to object and convert the outline to an object. I'm actually going to left click, right click, and see, you don't even have to weld anything. It's all one line. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I could have done it without doing this, but this way I can kind of pick the color and then move that out of the way. There won't be any outline. And then I could get the interactive fill tool and come across and like put yellow here or do whatever you want. But what I like about this is every one of them is a little bit different. So you could really tweak it to your liking. Let's go back to the interactive fill tool. And let's go to elliptical. And see, now I've got like yellow in the middle. If you want a little bit more yellow on the other lines, put it there. And if you want to stop that, you can put red there. And that's pretty cool. And then you can use the preset ones and do stuff like that. Click off of it so you can show it off. I mean, that's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.